Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to execute the password recovery on the Brocade G620. um, After Brocade, I believe this what Broadcom was the first manufacturer, I guess, Brocade, and then Dell EMC. So I have this switch with with the password, as we can see right here. Let me show you the switch in case you are not familiar with the unit. And this one right here basically is a fabric switch. So basically this one right here. So here's some tech spec of the unit. So there is a different operating system. I believe I have 8.10. Not sure because like I said, there is a password on the unit. So let me show you how do you reset the password on this particular switch. I have it right here, so I need to power cycle the unit. Let me power cycle. So we interrupt the boot process, pressing escape right here. So and then we go to the option number 3. So from there we execute different command. We can type print EMB to check what is the configuration of the environment variables. So I have all these, so we need to execute a procedure that I have. So here we need to set OS log option single. So I have the command right here. Copy, set EMB, paste, set EMB OS log option single. As we can see right here, OS log option is quiet, so we need to change that particular variable right there. So enter. So we need to check if the configuration apply, and yes, we need to save EMB, enter. And now we need to boot the unit, and the unit is booting into the shell to execute 3 more commands in order to restore or delete the password. So right there, that is the shell right here, as we can see. So from here we need to execute another couple commands, right? And that one is this one right here. Paste, enter. And now we need to execute another command, but be careful. Based on the documentation, set HDA1, which is basically the OS partition. So make sure that you change that to this one right here, HDA1. Copy. So go there and then copy the whole command. Copy, and right here, paste, and SDA1. If not, you will receive an error. Enter. From there, we execute SB pass So after you execute this command for the mount the volume, so you execute this one right here, SB pass WD default, enter, and then you type yes, and right here there is another command that basically basically we need to put back the OS log option variable that we checked in the previous step this one back to quiet. So that is the command right there. So don't forget to do that. If not, the unit will boot again into the shell. So right here, copy, paste, enter, and then reboot, dash F. So that will reboot the unit, and then we can, just log in using the default password, which is the username is admin and password is password. So let's go ahead and the unit completely boot. So basically the unit completely boot. So let's go and check admin, password, and now you need to change the password, of course, right? So password, and then you assign the new password. And for the user, and that will be, after that, I mean, the other part of the process is factory default all configuration. So to factory default configuration, you need to do this procedure right here. I have the document right here. So if you want the document, I can share with you, not a problem. Just subscribe to my channel, send me a message, and you got it. We need to disable the switch first. Paste, switch disable, and after that CFG disable. Yes, and after that CFG clear. Yes, CFG save. Yes, and then execute config default. Yes, and then we execute the command switch enable, because we disabled the switch in the first command, this one right here. So we need to enable back all the switch, which bring all interface on or up. Enable the switch name. Switch name, and then we remove the unit just to make sure that all the factory default configuration is back to the switch. Reboot, enter, yes, and that is how do you execute the password recovery mechanism, and how do you restore the unit to factory default. So keep in mind that you need to provide this password to your user, because that way they don't need to execute all this procedure. So make sure that you provide the password to them, and then they can assign a different password based on their security specification. Thank you so much for the video, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you think the video is a good help for you, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good afternoon. Thank you.